Welcome back, my dear student. It's time for us to make this 100%. Well, not 100% because, to be honest, there is a lot of ways that we can improve our registration form. We can put notifications with colors. We can color all this, put it in red by including a class, and that's very easy to create with Bootstrap. Um, we can do a lot of things to our form. Really, is endless possibilities out there. But we are almost finished with what I wanted to show you here. I think for some of you, you learn a lot on this section here. So let's finish it up. All right. So we are registering the user, but we are not redirecting them. We're not logging them in and redirecting them to admin, right? Not yet. So let's go to our registration.php, and right below here we are going to log in the user, and we can make this function even more flexible if we use our creative imagination. All right, but I'm gonna leave that to you because what this course is all about is about you guys thinking outside the box. How can you make this better? How can you refactor this in such a way that it makes that is different and works a lot better, right? So we're gonna log in the user here. Let's go to functions real quick. Make sure that in login user here, you are getting the password. I think I had email before. It's supposed to be password, so make sure that it is password, right? All right, so that's password there, and here we're good. Let's go back here, and I think another change that I want to do here is shouldn't be using this header function. We already have a little custom function that we created for that, and this one is the redirect. What we want to do is we want to go to the root. That's why we put a / there, and then we want to go to admin. All right, this is gonna help us go to where we need to go all the time without missing the target. And this one is just gonna go to index.php, and that's it. I think we should be done with this here. Like I said, there's a lot of more improvements. Just to give you an idea, in register user, you could, if you want to, create an if statement here and say, listen, if the MySQLi affected rows equals 1, that means something was inserted into the database. I want you to log in the user, and just call the function from here, from register user, and do the redirect right here if you want to. If you don't want to put the function right here, all right, it's up to you. I'm leaving you room here so you can make this better. All right, so I'm gonna refresh this, and we're gonna come up with some really cool names for our users. All right, so how about Lupila? Is that a good name, guys? If I can spell that right, Lupila. All right, so if you are named Lupila, send me an email because I have never heard of anybody named Lupila. All right, just send me an email, please. I want to get to know you. All right, so we try to submit this. There is nothing going on. Of course, I mean, everything is empty here. Let's just give Lupila, and she does not work for coding faculty, guys. All right, let's just give her, let's just say she was born in 2000, actually 1978 or something like that. Actually 1800s, because you know anyway, let's just register Lupila, and there we go. Lupila is registered. Great. Let's log out, and let's see if we can look. We even have autocomplete right here, which is cool. And let's see if we can log in. We are not logging her in. All right, there we go. She's able to log in. You see that? So if she doesn't log in, it's being redirected back here. Same thing with registration. If we are able to, of course, we're gonna be able to register. Once they go through our validation, they're gonna be able to register, and we're gonna be able to log them in without any problems. But anyway, that's it for this section here. Hopefully you like it. I'm looking into putting more things in the course. And of course, you are welcome to check out my other courses, which are going to make your PHP skills a lot better. But anyway, thank you so much for watching, guys, and I'll see you in the next lectures or course. Take care.